I'm just ambling along, a guy 68, 69 years of age, you know, with life, flying back and forth all over the country, totally asymptomatic. And my primary care physician noticed something that he thought should be checked out. And he was a very smart guy. I really appreciate him. He says, you know, I want to send you in right away, you know, to get a biopsy. I'm just a little concerned. Notice your PSA level was up in conjunction with what I'm feeling here physically, and I want to send you to get a biopsy. And I thought, like typically, within a month, couple months, he says, as a matter of fact, I said, when, doctor? He said, as a matter of fact, just wait right here in the waiting room. He went and made the call himself to comprehensive urology and set up an appointment for me to come in, and I came in and was tested, you know, in 2 days. You know, I knew that the results were, you know, not very, very positive. I talked with Dr. Sanford, who's the head of this practice, and he told me, he said, I got good news and bad news for you. I said, okay. He says, what you want first? I said, doesn't matter. Just give it to me. So he said, well, the bad news is you do have prostate cancer. And I said, okay, what does that portend? He says, well, this is the good news. We can do something about it. He said, normally, we don't recommend surgery for a guy your age, but you seem to be in such good spirits and such good health, your attitude is great, we're going to recommend surgery for you if you so choose. I said, you got it. If there's something there that shouldn't be there, my point is, get rid of it. So sure enough, I was scheduled for surgery within a week's time. Went through the surgery, had some concerns along the way early on, but this practice is just as professional as you can get. Everyone here was so professional, handled everything so calmly and so professionally that I'm proud to say I would highly recommend the doctors here, Dr. Desai, Dr. Michelle, Dr. Sanford, the whole staff here. And obviously, I'm a guy who has a training background professionally, and I can tell that the staff here is well trained. I really appreciate and respect that. So I'm very pleased to say that my association with Dr. Desai has been nothing but positive. I highly recommend him as a surgeon and this practice, you know, to people who might have concerns. And it goes on to show that when you're asymptomatic sometimes, it's good to get checked out. And I just happened to get checked out, and it happened to be timing was right for me and good, and things worked out as a result of getting checked out. In really good shape. I do everything that I need to do for myself. You know, I climb ladders, I climb my trees, I trim the trees, I paint, I do everything I did when I was 40. You know, and I feel pretty comfortable doing it. I have to be a little more careful these days, of course, but I get it done.